Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Bicho's collection, the Malaysian jeweled beetle. Look at it. It is holographic. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button down below. And while you're at it guys, make sure to hit that bell, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to also go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. So make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. I will have his links not only down in the description below, but also in the cards. And well guys, let's go, let's get into this. Okay guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top, we have the title of the collection, Bichos, or in English, Bugs. And this, guys, is Jeweled Malaysian Scarab, or Beetle. You can see a big picture of him there, but soon we'll see the real live one, up close and personal. And well, let's open this up. Here it talks about the jeweled Malaysian scarab. It gives a little description, a little bit about their habitat, as well as other observations. And it points out different things in the slide, like their wings and their eyes and antenna and things like that. And here it shows what scientific classification they have, which you can see there. And here it says, a typical scarab. And here it shows you one up close and personal. It talks about their eyes, their antenna, their legs, their heads, wings, a little bit about their abdomen, here's one of their legs up close. Here it talks about the different areas of the world where they live. Oh cool, we got this one here in Argentina.
That
little one there looks a bit creepy. And then there's this mammoth one. Tell me guys down in the comments below, which one do you like the most? Or which one do you think is the more creepy? I think this one is the more creepy looking because it looks more alien looking to me. Here it shows you some of their main habitats. This is funny. An environment very aromatic because they're dung beetles. Gosh. Who says scientists are not funny? And okay, cool. We got also this new thing of stickers. So you can see there the next bugs that are going to be coming. Pretty cool. So make sure to stay tuned for those guys. Well guys, that's the end of that. And now it's time to check out our new bug. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Okay guys, so we have the bug out of the little plastic that it came in, and now it's time for an up close look at it. I'm not sure if you can see just how holographic he is. He looks really great. He's like a blue and green hollow. Ah, so pretty. Oh well, I'm gonna show you his head. You can't really see it. And his head, like his side, his back, but his back side there, and the under part, which is like a silverish color. What do you guys think about this bug? He looks pretty cool. He's really pretty. I really like him a lot. Tell me what you guys think down in the comments below. And guys, if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you enjoyed this unboxing, if you like holographic bugs, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to also go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. So make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. I will have his links not only down in the description below, but also in the cards. And well guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye.